Hi, my name is Clark. I'm gonna show you how to build Imperial Dragon.
Okay, so um who owns Imperial Dragon?
Still Dante Koryu.
Dante Koryu.
He
Okay.
he he just mixed it with Rock Dragon, Glyph Dragon, and Ace Dragon.
All right. So okay, so let's start building. How
Okay.
many parts do you have here?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, how about the stick? What's that? And that the gray thing. What are those?
You mean this thing?
Yeah.
Just a launcher.
Okay. So for the Beyblade, you have 3 parts, and for
Yes.
the launcher, you have 2 parts.
Yes. The total is
Okay.
5 parts.
5 parts. Okay. All right. And then,
Wait.
what's special about that? What's that sound? So if you turn it on, what's gonna happen?
It is light.
Ah, all right. So that's it. Can I have a closer look? Oh, that's it already. So it's now ready to battle.
Yes.
All
This.
right.
This how you control it. Wait, put the phone right there.
Okay.
Maybe it just lost momentum.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.